is the Allure Box for 2024 December. Boy, this year has flown. As always, it has a nice little brochure with a wonderful, beautiful person on the front, information inside about the items. So let's get going and see if they ended on a strong note for the year. This first item, we were given an option to pick a shade that we liked. I picked cranberry because it looks kind of fun red. In person, it's a little bit darker, but I think I can still use it if applied lightly. This is from Tarte. It is the Tarte Juicy Lip Cream Softening Balm and Satiny Lipstick all in one. That's nice for the colder weather. Yes, it is. Even not in the colder weather, but yes, it is definitely nice. That is a full-size item, and it retails for $26. Let's pull up the real thing. This is the shade that it shows when you actually open the container. So definitely a little bit different than what the box and what it looked like online. And I also discovered that if you start to roll it up, it does not roll down. Not too thrilled with that, but I can make do. Next up is another full-size item with a retail of $65. It is a hand cream or a face cream. Excited to try this one. I've got a few of these sitting, waiting to get tried, and I guess this gets added to the pile, but I like the feel of their container. It's a metal container, and for some reason, my warped little brain thinks that's going to make the cream work better. I don't know. It says Grown Alchemist Hydra Restore Day Cream. It sinks in quickly, and it's easy to blend over your skin. It doesn't leave a sticky or a tacky finish. That is nice whether you use it on face or hands or anywhere else. Agreed. This is a $42 renewing hand serum. And I'm not familiar with this brand. Palmy? That's a new one for me. A hand serum. Unfortunately for me, it has lavender in it, so I know I'm going to pass it along. But $42 for 60 milliliters, vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. It sounds like the contents are a great product. I just don't do lavender. It trends for 4 shades of green. So it also says that it's got safflower oil in it, jojoba seed, lavender, and rosemary. Has anyone else out there tried it? Let us know. And that was a full-size item. This is a small sample size from Sephora, and you would think with all the advent calendars that I've unboxed, I'd recognize this item. I don't. I guess you unboxed too many advents. Maybe so. I'm trying to get a look at it through the ring light, and if I didn't know better, I'd swear the thing was empty. I can't tell how much is in there. And what does it say about this item? It says that full size would be $21 and would be 30 milliliters. This is 8 milliliters. Sephora Collection Super Glow Serum with vitamin C and E. Vitamin C and E serum are antioxidant duo that will brighten your skin. I don't know how much brightening I will get out of this size yet. Opportunity to try something different. We have a sample size sunscreen, and one thing that we noticed is the box comes with an expiration date. Nice to see a product show an expiration date. of January 2026. So we've got a full year to use this little sample. This is 10 milliliters. What is the full size? I don't know. You've got the book. Full size is 50 milliliters and is $22. Innisfree is the brand. And I'm trying to think, I don't think I've ever heard of that brand. Opportunity to try something new. That's a good reason to get a subscription box. We have a code if you want to try it in our description box. Innisfree Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF. And apparently this has a green tint to it. I would open it, but I have so many sunscreens open that I don't want to add to the mess. So stay tuned to my channel. You might get to see it when I finally do open it. The soft green tint is undetectable and helps even out redness. So I guess they're indicating that this is more for the facial area versus the body. With it being a sample size, probably 1 or maybe 2 applications is what you're going to get out of there. And again, the full size is 50 milliliters for $22. And in holding it up to the ring light, as near as I can tell, I think this is full up to here. So that's a good amount full. You might be able to get a couple applications to the face. And last but not least, Maria Nila Argan Oil. I hope I said that name right. I probably did not. I took a little sniff on this. It has a fruity scent. Definitely intriguing to me. This is tiny. It is a sample size. Let me read it from the book because the print on the bottle was just too tiny. That was 30 milliliters. Retail is 100 milliliters and basically $40, $39.90. And it says that with this argan and, they had a little typo. They forgot the G in grape. With argan and grapeseed oil, it's lightly moisturizing. You smooth a small amount into damp or dry hair from mid-length to end, and then style as usual. Ooh, I might even want to try that. Okay, we'll have a stylish camel. Hey, I'm stylish, snazzy, and blingy. Anne has decided that her top 2 from this box are the argan oil for your hair and the Tarte lipstick lip balm combination. How about you? What did you see that you liked? Did you get this box? What did you get that you liked? Let me know, because I'm a nosy Carol. I want to know all the details. And a quick look at the nitty-gritty. This is a $25 monthly box. I do an annual subscription, so that brings it down to $19. Of course, there's always sales tax. Can't get away from taxes. And you get 6 items in the box. 3 full size, 3 sample size. Sometimes you get an extra, but not always. And sometimes you get to make a choice, but not always. I've noticed this year, or maybe even the last 18 months, they're tossing in some more makeup items, and they are giving choices on color shades for those items. So that's very nice. I think all things considered, they ended on a pretty good note. Thanks for watching today. Check out the code in the description box. Check out one of our playlists. We have some advent calendars going up. They are fun. We hope to see you in another video. Consider subscribing. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You're sounding like a broken record. Oh well. Happy holidays.